Hi kabahay! Another day, another house tour. So, andito pa rin tayo ngayon sa Metrogate, Dasmariñas, Cavite. If you are looking for a property na single attached unit ang turnover and then meron tayong complete finish and then meron itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, well, meet Jasper model. Again, this is a model house and available at pre-selling stage. Meron itong lot area na 120 square meters and floor area of 159.79 square meters. Tara, check natin ang ating property. So again, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating Jasper model. So this is the parking area. Meron itong fence and gate na included upon turnover. And then as you can see, maganda po at minimalist ang ating exterior design. So tara, check naman natin ang ating model house. And again mga kabahay, this is a Jasper model. So as you can see on the side, hindi pa po natin na-finish ang ating fence. Pero tatanggalin po itong ating Meralco post and then magkakaroon ito ng closure dito. And then check natin ang ating pedestrian gate. So this is the pedestrian gate. Meron tayo ditong porch area which is non-skid ang ating flooring and then meron tayo ditong pocket gardens inside the property. So dito sa parking area natin mga kabahay, kasya dito ang isang sasakyan. So as you can see, ang ating flooring is naka-pebble types. May nakaabang po dito na drainage. And then, syempre, meron tayo ditong provision for automatic washing machine. May outlets na tayo dito. Ito naman ang ating lavatory dito sa service area. Naka-non-skid tiles pa rin tayo sa ating flooring. And of course, may access tayo papuntang kitchen area. This side naman, mga kabay, of the property is the access going to the lanai area. So, meron tayo ditong sliding door papunta sa ating dining area. Tara, check natin mga kabayan ang ating property. Again, dito tayo ngayon sa ating main door. So sa main door natin, meron tayong steel door. May keypad lock tayo dito. So on this area naman mga kabahay will be your living area. Meron tayo dito magandang accent para sa ating ceiling. Dito ang provision natin for the entertainment showcase. On this area naman mga kabahay is the provision for your dining table. So ito naman ang ating access going to the lanai area. Ito naman mga kabayang ating kitchen area. Sa kitchen area, meron tayong stainless pull-outs, meron tayong built-in cabinets over and under. Of course, may maganda tayo dito lavatory. And ito yung access natin going to the service area. And syempre, meron tayo ditong storage area sa ating ilalim ng staircase. Of course, we have toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor. Dito sa ating Jasper model mga kabahay, meron tayong maids room dito sa ating ground floor. So as you can see, enough space lamang to para sa inyong mga maids. Single bed ang kasya dito, may window tayo dito, and provision for air condition. So dito sa ating staircase area mga kabahay, ay meron tayong wood and steel railings. Meron tayong fixed window, high ceiling ang ating property. Nakatiles naman po ang ating steps dito sa ating staircase. So sa second floor mga kabahay, we have a total of 2 bedroom and 1 common toilet and bath. So this is the common toilet and bath. As you can see mga kabahay, complete fixtures po ito upon turnover. Ito naman mga kabahay ang ating bedroom number 2. So sa bedroom number 2 natin, kasya dito ang double size bed. Complete finish pa rin po ang turnover. May maganda tayong flooring, may provision for window type aircon. Mayroon tayo ditong windows na sliding and then syempre floor to ceiling ang ating built-in cabinets. Silipin naman natin mga kabahay ang ating master's bedroom. So dito sa master's bedroom mga kabahay, same as others, meron tayo ditong floor to ceiling na built-in cabinets, meron tayo ditong vanity area. And ang good thing dito mga kabahay, makikita nyo very spacious ang ating bed area. So kasya dito up to king size bed. And of course, meron tayo ditong access papunta sa ating balcony area. Tara, check natin ang ating balcony, mga kabahay. Nagustuhan mo ba kabahay ang ating Jasper model? Again, this is available at pre-selling stage. Located only here at Metrogate, Dasmariñas, Cavite. 5 minutes away lang to SM and Robinsons, Dasma. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested to view this property, this is amounting only to 8.2 million and 100,000 pesos only to reserve this property. Please send us a message at 0916-518-4710 for more details. This is Juan Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this with the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay.